Anticipation is a short story by Mabel Love Danquah that explores the emotions and expectations of a young woman eagerly awaiting her romantic partner. The story revolves around themes of love, hope, and the tension between expectation and reality. The protagonist, filled with excitement and hope, prepares her surroundings and looks forward to their reunion. However, as time passes, anticipation turns into restlessness and doubt, reflecting the uncertainties and vulnerabilities of love. This story highlights the complexities of human emotions and fragile nature of relationships. The tension between her idealistic vision and the uncertainty of her partner's arrival highlights the gap between idealism and reality. The story also explores the emotional vulnerability of love, waiting, and the fear of disappointment. This story highlights the moral lesson of patience and the impact of unrealistic expectation. The main character expects something big and life-changing, but in the end it won't happen. The author shows putting too much trust in something can cause emotional hurt. Philosophically, the story examines how expectations affect how we see in reality. This story teaches us that we need to balance between hope and acceptance to avoid disappointment. Anticipation is a short story by Mabel Danquah that explores the complexities of human connections and societal expectations within the Ghanaian setting. It revolves around Nana Adako II, the chief of Akwesasne, as he celebrates the 20th anniversary of his reign. The story delves into themes of marriage and polygamy, shedding light on Nana Adako's desire for a new wife despite already having 40 wives, illustrating the cultural acceptance of polygamy in certain Ghanaian communities. Additionally, it examines the consequences of taking relationships and loyalty for granted, as Nana Adako assumes that the admiration and respect from those around his will endure indefinitely. The moral lessons I learned from the story Anticipations emphasize the significance of valuing relationships, underlining the importance of appreciating and nurturing connect. Neglecting people can result in misunderstanding and a feeling of isolation. This story teaches us to cherish our relationships and obligations while acknowledging the cultural context that shape our lives.